So, welcome to our project. This is a project named Room Temperature Controller using LM35. This is our keypad matrix which will be used to input some data that might be the range that we would try to enter. This is our 16:2 LCD display which will display various temperature readings, the range that we have entered and various other things. These two components makes our user interface. A user will enter data from here and it will be displayed on this LCD display. This is our heating element which we have used. This is our Arduino Uno which we have shadowed. The power pin is connected to the power input of Arduino and this is to put the most important component of our project is this LM35 which senses data and sends its reading to Arduino. Then Arduino converts this analog data into the temperature reading, which is in degrees Celsius. To tell something about LM35, LM35 gives the variation of 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. So this variation, we detect what is the temperature, what is the current temperature of the room. Now we will switch on our project and then we will see how this works out. So the initial message that will be displayed on our LCD is room temperature controller using LM35. Now this prompts the user to press E to set temperature range. Then we will press E. Then it will display, it will ask us to enter higher temperature reading. So let's say we want our room temperature, maximum room temperature to be 25. So 25 will be displayed here, then it will go. Then we will enter low temperature reading. Let's say we entered 20. It will be displayed here. It is showing. Also the current temperature is 19.5. So we have set 20. Therefore it will switch on the switch on our heating element. So the bulb is going. The bulb is connected through a relay module which is turned on by Arduino Uno while detecting the temperature. So now it will go on in loop and will sense the data. It takes a reading of current temperature every 10 seconds. So if you want to check its functionality, then we can just hold our sensor in our hand because our normal body temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Then we should be able to see some temperature reading change on our LCD display. Let's see. It is currently 19. Let's wait for a while. It is not changing, so I will ask one of my teammates to hold this sensor so that my body temperature might not be enough. It is 25, which is above our range, so we should see the LED turned off. So the range was more than 25, then the LED, the heating element, which is a bulb in our case, will turn off. Now we will see that temperature will go below range. So this will turn on now. We will see our heating element is turned on. So we can set any range. We have set the limit to be 50 degrees Celsius. A user might not want their room temperature to be more than 50 degrees Celsius. So these are the things. To demonstrate more functionality, we can see that this will ask us to long press B to reset temperature. So we will wait for that prompt and we will long press B to reset temperature range. Now we can reset our temperature range. So let's say the current temperature was around 20 degrees Celsius. Now we will enter the range of 25 to 23. So we can change the temperature range through this. And if we want to pause this functionality, because whenever we will turn on our system, then it will again ask the user to enter temperature reading. But if our user does not want to re-enter the readings, a user can just pause the system and our system will store that current data. This will demonstrate most of our functionality, and this is all about our project. Thank you.